Hi my peeps, what's up, what going? Welcome back to your girl Tiana in the house. Yes, and now guys, I'm gonna do a pineapple upside down, simple and easy, alright? And I'm gonna do it in this pan, alright? So we're gonna get straight into the video. All my ingredients are here, really simple and nice, alright? And we have a secret today with us. Okay? I have this cooking spray. I'm gonna shake it and I'm gonna spray it because I want to spray the sides and this part as well. So let's spray it up good. You don't have to spray the bottom much because you're gonna add the butter down there, but you want to make sure you get the sides. In a container, I'm gonna add 1/4 cup of melted butter. It's not even some melt, so let's mix up it like this. We're gonna add that in. I have 1/2 cup of brown sugar. You can use the dark brown. This is the light brown. And guys, you know my sugar always lumpy because I don't know, brown sugar always that. But once you put it in, you just want to give it a good mix, all right? So we're gonna dump that in. And now I'm gonna add my rum. I'm gonna put about a teaspoon. You want to just make sure you mix it out. Alright guys, once you dissolve it like this, we're gonna go over here and we're just gonna layer it in the bottom or just pour it in. I'm gonna use 1 can of this pineapple slice. I don't think I'm gonna use all of it. And I pour out 1/2 cup of the juice because I'm gonna use it for my butter. And let's just pour it in here. And now what you want to do, I'm just going to layer it. You know me. So I even have 2 pieces left. All right. With these 2 pieces, I'm going to cut them in chunks. All right. Because I'm going to add it to it after. And the next thing, you want to get you some maraschino cherries, and this one is from the dollar store. All right guys, you know you want to put some in it. I'm gonna put even one like on the corners like that. So we're gonna set this aside. 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 2 teaspoons baking powder, rub out all the salt. Now we're on to the wet ingredients. I'm going to use 4 eggs. To the 4 eggs, we're going to add 1/2 cup of granulated sugar. You can put 3/4 cup because I add sugar before. That's too much sugar for me. And at the same time, I'm going to put 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon almond extract. Just going to beat this or whisk this. 1/2 cup of oil. I think this one is canola and extra virgin, and I'm going to put the 1/2 cup. I'm going to put it in 2. I'm going to put 1/2 cup of pineapple juice. I have 1 teaspoon lemon juice. And I have 1/4 cup of milk. This is just 2% milk. I have some yellow food coloring. You can use it, yes or no. Remember, don't come for me, it's optional. But I'm gonna put a like 4 squeeze. 1, 2, and you're gonna give this a little whisk. Put 2 more. Put few more, guys. Few more won't hurt. So just put few drops. All right. When you have your batter like this, the only next step is just to add your flour base. All right, we're gonna add it and just lightly mix it. Okay, a little bit more than 1/4 cup of pineapple, just 2 pieces I cut up, and I'm just gonna put that in, and I'm just gonna give it a little mix. You don't have to put that. I'm just extra, guys. The butter with the sugar, the butter get a little bit cold and it's all set, not moving anywhere. So this is the perfect time to pour the batter in, and you want to pour it right around evenly, slowly. Okay, guys? Depends on your oven temperature. I'm gonna pop mine in for 40-45 minutes and then I'll come back. Okay, here the oven is ready. 50 minutes in. Okay, I left it for extra 5 minutes, so 50 minutes, and this is it. All right, look how it look nice. I'm gonna let this cool down for about 7 minutes. I'm gonna use a fork and I'm just gonna put it at the sides, make sure everything is moving. You can use a knife, but the fork for this pan have the curve, you know. If you want to know how it's baked, use a sharp edge and insert it in it. You don't want to put it way to the bottom, but if it comes up clear, it's good. All right, and I'm gonna put it on this cake stand here. So basically I'm just gonna set it down. We're gonna go for a fast flip. Okay, all right. So guys, ready for the test, and let's go. Wow, clean, so perfect. Oh my goodness, look at that, guys. Ah, my delicious pineapple upside down. I'm just gonna let it cool down totally, and then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna cut it and show you. Look at that, guys, juicy. It's cool now. Just gonna cut out a big peg. Look at that goodness, guys. All right, guys, this is the final result. My delicious pineapple upside down. Super yummy, moist and delicious. Let's taste a piece for you, okay, guys? I hope you can see it. Oh my goodness. Look at the goodness, guys. All right, guys, love upon me and I love upon you. Bye, guys.